Pfizer has acquired Seagen in a $43 billion deal to acquire its targeted cancer therapies, as it faces a decline in sales from COVID-19 products and generic competition for some of its top-selling drugs. Seagen is a pioneer of antibody drug conjugates, which can destroy cancer cells while sparing healthy cells. The acquisition will add 4 approved cancer therapies, with combined sales of nearly $2 billion in 2022 to Pfizer's oncology portfolio. The deal is expected to face antitrust scrutiny, but Pfizer hopes to complete the transaction in late 2023 or early 2024. The acquisition is part of Pfizer's strategy to mitigate the anticipated $17 billion hit to revenue by 2030 from patent expirations for top drugs and a decline in demand for its COVID products.